Yeah, man, this little Marcus the Great about to get up on this shit and just let loose. I normally don't do freestyle, so I'm gonna try. Here we go. Well, it's little Marcus the Great, the real, not the fake. Motherfuckers know me, man, I'm trying to get my cake. Don't give a damn if you bitches wanna hate. Pussy ass nigga, I'm taking your fucking date. Yeah, she sucking my dick while I ride in a skate. Ride in the Chevy and it's so fucking heavy in the old faux Impala. Yeah, your bitch wanna swallow. Bitch so nasty, yeah, I call her come swallow. She sucking on the dick. She like my chocolate stick. She love to suck on it cause she love that shit. She riding on my wood, call me Dr. Feel Good cause she love my dick up in her cat and all up in it. She can't get enough, man, I'm calling her bluff. Beating that pussy up, yeah, man, she can't take it. Don't give a damn, yeah, I hit it from the back and break it. Yeah, man, I'm breaking her off. Yeah, I'm pulling on her hair while I stick it in her dairy air. Legs in the air and she can't fucking take it. Yeah, I'm putting that dick up in her. Got her fucking hot as a motherfucking sauna. Yeah, got the fucking penis of death. She's a goner. Trying to get my change and I'm trying to get my cheddar. Yeah, I'm repping Omaha, Nebraska, nigga. Yeah, we own. Don't give a damn, nigga, flowing off the dome. Hating ass niggas better leave me alone. You pussy ass niggas, you can get hit with the chrome. Motherfuckers know I ain't afraid to send you home. I hit you with that 40 cal, hit you with that 9 though. Don't give a damn, you get hit with these Harlows, bitch.